I figured out that people want three things in their life. They want to be happy, they want to be healthy, and they want to be wealthy.
People don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. And it's so true. EPR, encourage, praise, and recognize. When people don't feel appreciated, they show up in a bad way.
It just surprised me how positive he was, and just his outlook on life is incredible and amazing.
Showing up as your most authentic, vulnerable self, because it's the strongest place to come from.
The easiest, most important lesson that I can provide is just be kind. It costs you nothing to be kind to another human being.
The guy is truly one of those humans that genuinely cares, and it comes across.
Courage is the most important of all virtues, because without courage, you can't practice any other virtue consistently.
Top 5 reasons that 71% of employees are currently disengaged.
Does anybody know what FEAR stands for, the acronym?
Should I be upgraded? These are the 3 questions I want you to write down. I really want you to take a look.
False evidence appearing real.
To give him a list of like, this is what I want, this is how I want it. He's very easy to work with.
Do we have our goals written down, and are they visible?
The most simple exercise for you to do on a daily basis is just say 3 things that you're grateful for every single day. We don't allow ourselves to be in a negative space and grateful at the same time.
Every time I'm around JM, I feel like I leave a little better than I came.
You know, I've never met an employee that woke up and said, I'm going to be the worst.
In fact, my favorite thing that I teach coaches and leaders, EPR, to encourage, praise, and recognize.
I saw JM talk yesterday. Phenomenal.
As I put myself in their shoes and I say, can I give you an example of where I could choose to be a victim or I can choose to rise above?
Get very clear on your goals. What are their core 3 things that they need to do?
Everyone needs a coach because you can't truly see how you show up in the mirror.
The one thing that you can count on when you work with me is I will do exactly what I say I'm going to do. So you want to show up as the best version of you, you work with me and we'll get it done.